What's up, seekers? I am Jasmine, your sick mate. So yes, girl, and that's Lily using his makeup. Lily is in the house. And welcome to Tug 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 Seekers Vlog. What's up, sick mates? I am Jasmine Estrada, and I am in Paulus B Resort with our seekers mate. It's Tugoy. It's Ludily. Today we have another challenge. Twink, twink, twink. It's called. Our challenge is brushes and makeup brushes with no color. Who go first? Me. Hen. Let's go, girl. Hello. Brush. So squishy. So very. Oh, what is this? So. I'm sorry. Wait lang. Again. Guys. Wait. Balik. I'm almost done. What is this? I'm sorry. May ikaw dito. Check na. Susuklayan ko ang kilay ko. Kunin ko muna itong hairband ko. Oh, I'm so... I'm so... What's up, sickmates? It's my turn. Let's try this brush. Brush. Wow! Ang ganda ng kulay. Wow! Pink, pink. Ay na pala isa. Uy, Ming! Imong ikog. Wow! Pink! Next, this one for our eyes. Is it for eyes? For our eyebrow. Wow! So amazing. Wow! So great, bro! Next is Ming! And eyeliner for our eyes. I don't know how to eyeliner, kaya ganun na lang yan. And this one. Wow, ang ganda talaga ng kulay, sickmates. Wow, I like it so much. 10/10. And this one, I don't know how to use this, but it's so beautiful. Eyebrow and my eyebrow. Guys, I have a joke. Anong tawag ay anong sasabihin ng left eyebrow kay right eyebrow? Ano daw? No. Ede eyebrow. I have another one, guys. Ano ang leader ng mga potato? I don't know. Ede potato chip. Oh, bro. Dade, palit natin hairband. Wala na akong filter. Hindi mo kita. I have another one. Anong tawag sa puti na potato? Ano daw? Edi, puti to. Anong tawag sa mas puti na potato? Ano daw? Edi, mashed potato. Okay, that's it, guys. So, I'm going to use brush 2 to my eyebrow. Dili na, wala na sa into sa challenge. And that's it, guys. I'm so pretty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, the click, and subscribe button. Bye!